Hello, welcome to my class. So today we are going to learn about division of decimal. So let me share my screen and you will see the whiteboard. Okay, great. All right, so let's do a quick reminder. In last class, we learned about multiplication of decimals. For example, if you have A over B multiply C over D, right? So this, as we discussed, this is actually very straightforward. So you just perform multiplication of numerator and multiplication of denominator directly. So that's actually very straightforward. Okay, now today we are going to learn about how to do division. So if you want to do this, how should we consider such a problem? So what I'm going to show you is actually a trick. So this trick, I call it a swing, 180-degree swing. So I don't know, have you played gymnastic or have you seen the gymnastic, right? So a person, actually, they can do hold a bar and then do a swing, like full 360-degree. So we are going to use this analogy. Let me show you. First, we treat this one together as a number put in the numerator, right? Then the division sign can be represented by this long bar of division. Then I put C over D here, right? Again, so this is actually essentially the same. Now, what we are going to do is we leave the numerator unchanged. So when you see these two bars there, especially a longer bar over a shorter bar, so now we treat this one as an exerciser with two hands holding on this long bar, and this is two legs. Now, what we can do is make a full 180-degree swing. So let me show you here. A over B unchanged, C over D flipped. Right? Do you see that? So holding this long bar, and this is the leg now, right? So the bottom one, assume that's a gymnastic, and then flipped 180-degree. So C is on the bottom, D is on the top now. All right, so that's first procedure. Secondly, we need to change to a multiplication. So at the end, we apply what we just learned, multiplication of numerator and then denominator. And this is actually the answer, right? So as you can see here, that's actually that simple. All right, do you have any questions? If not, let's do an exercise. Right? So basically, using the swing technique, we first convert this division to multiplication and then swing this. So I'm actually going a little bit faster because you can still write a long bar and then do a two double bar and swing. But at the end, this is basically you can swing flip the 6 over 5 here, right? So what you end with is 3 multiply 6 divided by 4 multiply 5. I'm sure you should know. And there are some, you can cross out this common factor of 2 in both 6 and 4 here. Then you get 9 and 2, 5 will be 10. So that's actually the result. Do you have any questions?